welcome back to Alonge Mo YouTube channel. It's been a minute, it's been more than a hot minute by the way, but yeah, thanks for stopping by once again. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I feel so shy, but why am I here? I think the last time you saw me was 3 years ago. A lot has happened at the way. So I was actually meant to film on a model for Instagram and TikTok, but it's been raining cat and dog, so she rescheduled for another day, and I just thought that why let today waste when I can, not necessarily a makeup tutorial, I can just put on something on my face. And I've been thinking of, we'll get back to showing up, and I'm like, why not start today? So yeah, today I'm going to attempt doing a full glam. So it's not necessarily a makeup tutorial per se, but yeah, I bet you should be able to pick one or two from it. So I'm also going to try to know what I've been up to, what I've been doing, and all of that. So without further ado, I guess let's get back into the video. So I don't like to point out what I feel uncomfortable while I'm filming, but I think today is going to be an exception. I can't find my mic. Like I said, I've not filmed in like how many years? So I do have a mic, but I don't know where it is right now. So you are just going to have to bear with the fan sound that is currently on. Beloved, if you know where that's from, you know. Oof. I don't even know as far back to when I need to pick up from, because I think the last time I filmed, I was in 500 level med school. I think it was shortly after my 500 level, my third MB professional exam. I think that was the last time I came on here, and that's like 3-4 years ago, 3 years ago if I'm not mistaken, and a lot has happened since then. Of course, right now I'm a medical doctor. I'm no longer a medical student. I'm now a medical doctor. 27, which means I've done my housemanship. That's a lot. That's a lot. In fact, I thought I was going to get back during house job, but there was no way. There was no way I was going to get back during house job. Nah, it was too exhausting. My business of had it a bit, not a bit, a lot. So okay, so let me just start from wrapping up school. Final year was very stressful for me. Oh my god, it feels so wrong talking about final year right now. It feels so wrong talking about final year right now, because that's like 2 years ago. But anyway, final year was really stressful for me. We had outside postings, and 2 outside postings, and then we wrote our main exam, and then I was the final year chairman. I don't think I've never mentioned it here, but that was one of the things I looked forward to with being in final year, because being final year chairman has been one of will I say life aspiration, or one of my goals of being in med school, to be honest. So when I got honored, and it was really good. For a month or 2 after I got inducted, I then came to Lagos for house job. This foundation is a bit dark for me, but it's buildable, and then by the time I put concealer, blush, and all of that, it's going to be just right. But I don't know how it looks. That was how 2024 went. And then I came to Lagos. I did my house job at General Hospital, Lagos Island, and it was crazy, exhausting. It was literally survival of the fittest for me. When I got in, there was no accommodation, so I was coming from home for the longest before I then got accommodation, and it became a bit bearable. I think what I did during house job, or I didn't even really go out. I think what I did during house job was house job, church, and then hanging out with my friends. Like, it was one of those three. It was kind of like my house job was really terrible, or the experiences were bad the way some people would say. I learned a lot, and yeah, it wasn't as bad to be fair, but it was it was very overwhelming, but I won't say it was terrible. I had 9 senior colleagues, and some of them that were really nice. I'm also like, yeah. House job, I worked at, I think I have, because I've been thinking of coming back, and then I've been making some little videos, so I think I'll probably just insert that here, or maybe I'll just make like a little blog of everything put together. After house job, I started working locum. If you know doctors, you know that all we do is locum. So I didn't look for a full-time job per se because I didn't like the schedule. I definitely didn't want to work on weekends. And one of the reasons why, two major reasons why I didn't want to work on weekends was because, one, I wanted to be able to go to church, because I also eventually joined the unit, and which will require me to serve most Sundays unless I take permission or I don't need to be in church. And then secondly, because of my makeup career, I strongly believe that my makeup career is still going to flourish, and then I wanted to like give room for moments when I would need to cater to a client on weekends. So those were my core reasons why I didn't want to take a weekend job. I eventually found a job. I was working 3 to 8 Monday to Friday, and I did that for a while. And then NYSC called, or is it Nigerian called? And yeah, now I'm currently serving. So I'm just working for Nigeria right now, and I'm also seriously taking my makeup business, because to be fair, it kind of pays more than medicine. I'm trying to also take that by the bull, or is it by the on? Take a bull by the on, whatever. So I'm trying to do that. Hence why I booked a makeup today, a model today, and it's still raining. It's been raining since I think 6 a.m. God, Lagos and rain. I don't even like it. I'm not even going to lie. But for some reason, I just got out of my comfort zone, and then I came here. So let me do my concealer, and then I'll be back. I mean, I loved filming, but for some reason, it wasn't just, I wasn't just feeling like filming anymore. More like I lost my spark. Maybe never lose our spark. But I kept saying I was going to come back, It just didn't feel right to come back. It felt like I didn't even know how to anymore. I still don't feel like I know how to. I feel like I'm a bit awkward right here, right now. But I think that if you want something, if you don't want to do something so bad, or if you're scared of, oh, what will happen, what if, I guess you would never know unless you start, right? So that's why I'm here again, because honestly, if someone told me 2 hours ago I'd be filming now, I would say it's not possible. But here I am, I'm filming. I'm just like, here goes nothing. Like, what's the worst that happened? I used to love filming. I used to, be so excited to film. But for some reason, I think it's because like I started filming when, or I started creating content, or making YouTube videos when, it was just coming up. But right now it's super saturated, and I don't feel like I belong anymore. I'm like, who would watch my content? Now all of these things, I'm not even trying to trick you people, or trying to, hear people say, oh, bumbo, da da da. I know it's just all up in my head, but feelings are valid still, right? That's where my head has kind of been. And like, not even with the way there are so many people creating content right now. But I guess I'm going to find my people, find my footing, and we go from there. Alright. I don't know. I'm not feeling this look yet. But and the reason I said I'm not feeling it is, if I was doing this on a client, I know like at this step I'm already meant to be feeling like, yeah, I've done something. But on my face it just feels like, nah. you follow my makeup tutorial, you know that I'm blush blind. So I'm still blush blind. Like, I've always been blush blind even before blush became a thing. If you check my videos, there's always red on my cheeks. So right now that is a thing, best believe I'm still gonna be blush blind. I think the contour is a bit too heavy, don't you think? But one thing for sure is that's one of the good sides of being, a dark skin. Dark, like really dark. It doesn't really ruin your makeup, because I can imagine if I was this heavy-handed on a light skin. That's why I've been away, and that's why I've just been struggling to coming back. So what to expect as I'm back? I won't even say I'm back, but I hope I'm back. To do more tutorials of myself alone, because it's quite a bit difficult. I think one of my challenge is trying to film YouTube, because I use my phone to film. If I was using my camera, it's a different thing, but because I use my phone to film, and then if I'm filming for TikTok or Instagram, it has to be portraits, but if I'm filming for YouTube, it has to be landscape. And I'm trying to repurpose my videos as much as I can, because as much as, yes, I'm currently doing my NYC, I have quite some free time. I'm disciplined enough to film for YouTube specifically, and then also film for Instagram and TikTok. And I'm saying this as regards to doing makeup on other people, like makeup on models and stuff. But I'm sure there are going to be times where I'm just going to film for YouTube purposes. So I think more of my makeup tutorials will be me alone. I'm definitely going to film, but because I also want to get better at doing makeup on myself. I think I'm great at doing makeup on other people, but not so much on myself. So this might just be an avenue. Since it's my channel, it's my page, it's about me. So this might be an avenue for me to just, sharpen my skill, while also teach people that want to learn how to do makeup for themselves by themselves. But if you want me to teach you on a professional level, you probably have to pay for that, or it would probably have to be on a one-on-one basis. That makes sense. Yeah. So I'm unable to make tutorials here, with my models. I think I can just put them in my vlogs, maybe weekly vlog or 2 weekly, because I'm not trying to over promise myself and then not show up to myself, to hold myself accountable. And I love blush. God, this powder is so small. It's so small. It's like I need to get like 3 more shades. I have 2 right now. I think I can get 2 more, and then I'll be good. I mean, I'm good regardless, so, but I think I can get 2 more. I went to get makeup products yesterday, and like, I know makeup is expensive. Every time I buy makeup, I'm always like, oh, then this thing is so expensive, this thing is so expensive. But I wanted to get marble blue seal, and I saw, not so much actually, but I saw 2 people talk about it, and I think it's really nice to have. So I want to get that. And tell me why. I think the 50 cl or 50 something ml is 50 something, 51,000, and then they have this 28 ml is 40,000. The math never just makes sense. Contour. The math didn't make sense. I'm going to set my face with there are quite a lot of new updates, but I think I'll just share that as time goes on. Eyeshadow done, lashes, brows done, and I think I ate. Don't you think? Question: do you like to overline or underline your look? Yep. So I like to see I have like the dark color of yours. I think the makeup is gorgeous. I think that see, I'm blushing. I think it's gorgeous, really, and I think that I should be back in doing makeup. I think this is such a nice try, cause maybe low key I thought I was going to flop, and then I won't post it, and then I'm just like, yeah, if you follow that, yeah. Cause funny how I learned makeup when I learned makeup, with my face majorly, but for some reason, I think cause I got so when I was in school, I got really booked, and then because of that, I got really busy. I mean, because of that, I just lost interest in doing makeup for myself because I never really get the chance to do makeup for myself, for dinner, for most activities that people will book me for. And see, I'm just trying to find the reason why I stopped doing makeup, because like I look so freaking gorgeous. Why did you stop, Faye? Why? I'll try to be more consistent. Not I'll try to be more consistent. I am a consistent person, and I need to hold my YouTube to that standard also. So yes, I will post more. I can't guarantee I will post weekly, but at least it's not like I shouldn't be able to show up twice a month at the very least. It would definitely, I hope for it to be more than that, but I think my barest minimum should be at least twice a month. I'm saying this now, so anytime you're not seeing a video in 2 months, just comment. And thing is, of course, I'll get a notification. Just comment and say, Madam Mo, it's been a month, we've only gotten 1 video, or we've not gotten at least 2 videos. Just hold me accountable. But I just got this. I typically use the Stay On. Is it Stay On? Yes, from SoPro, and then one size, but I can't be using one size for everybody. So my Stay On has finished, and I've been using my one size, and it's not economically wise. So I got this. Let's go. Okay. It doesn't really have bad smell like SoPro. So I learned that with this, it does the same thing as SoPro, but SoPro always gives you the shine after, and this one doesn't make your makeup oily. So good thing I'm doing it on myself. So these are things I wanted to try on a model, because anytime I get new products, I always love to try them on models first before I try it on a client. So I guess I will be the test of it, because I'm a model today. I think that's it, guys. I'm back, and I'm back for good this time around. There's just so many things that you'll see. I think you would also see a bit of workouts, because I'm also trying to shed some weight, not lose weight as much, but yeah, shed some weight, because I truly have added quite a lot, and I don't feel uncomfortable. Maybe I do feel uncomfortable a bit, but not so much. I just think that I need to be a better version of myself. So yeah, I really like coming here today. I think filming today has just made me remember how much I love filming, and I definitely know that I would be back. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the chaos of this video. But yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.